Hi friends, how are you today? Hope everyone is doing good. Today, what are we going to learn? We're going to learn phonics. And today it's the letter V. What sound does the letter V make? It makes the sound V. Let's look at some words that begins with the sound V or the letter V. Do you like to eat vegetable? The word vegetable begins with the V sound. V is for vegetable. Another word with the letter V or the V sound is vase. V is for vase. Then there is the word vowel. Vowel. The word vowel also begins with the V sound or the letter V. Vowel. Then we have V for vacuum cleaner. V for vacuum cleaner. Okay friends, those were just some examples of words that begins with the letter V or the V sound. We'll learn more during class time, so I'll see you then. Bye!